Hello developer. We face some problem with local. I think everybody know about local who is developing WordPress. They know how to work on it. But sometimes we face some problem. When we want to make a new site with local. See here, warning. If I want to fix it, it will come again here. It's not working. Even if I want to open the site, I can't reach it. I think the site can be reached. So what should I do? Some problem here. So we have to fix it. Just again. Same problem. Admin. It's not working. So we should reach admin and open site. Let's solve the problem. Okay. Go to the left hand side. Right click. Then there's some menu. Okay. Add new site, import site, preference. Okay, about local, check for update, help. You can go help community. You can ask your question about your problem. Okay. Rebar local site logo, rebar local site logs. Okay. That's it. Okay, no. Okay, I made mistake. Okay, preference. We'll go to preference. Okay, and then there's another option here, theme. If you want to change theme dark, you can put here. Okay, just tap like it will be dark. Okay, I'm not actually doing this now. I want to go advanced option to solve our problem. Okay, router mode, developer menu, router mode. Here, site domain. Developer know what is site domain and domain hosting. It's HTTPS. I think I have no need to explain about that. Localhost, site domain and localhost. In this moment, we are watching the site domain. It's selected by site domain, so the site is not working and we cannot see anything on localhost and local site anything. So we have to change here localhost. When I change it to localhost, just click on here, apply button. Then close it. After that, okay, stop site. Let's check it. Open site. I think it will work now. Yeah, that's it. It's working. The WordPress is now working. Problem solved. If you get any kind of problem in local, search on Google and search YouTube. You'll find more information about that. No more today. Take care.